The smart and easy way to do your laundry. Samsung Digital Inverter Top-Load Washing Machine. It comes in 6.5 kg and 7 kg capacity range. It features digital inverter technology, 5-star energy efficient, wobble technology, and diamond drum. The inbuilt digital inverter motor rotates smoothly and consumes less energy, while a non-inverter motor rotates with resistance, causing noise and vibration. It delivers superior energy efficiency, minimal noise, and long-lasting performance. 5-star energy rating. Spend less on bills, and protect the planet. The washing machine's high energy efficiency is certified by the Bureau of Energy Efficiency, with its highest 5-star rating. Its low power usage saves you money and also reduces harmful CO2 emissions, so it has less impact on the environment. The wobble technology comes with the all-new wobble pulsator, which washes clothes by generating dynamic and multi-directional wash flow for enhanced dirt and stain removal. It prevents fabric damage and minimizes tangles, twists and knots. The diamond drum's unique, soft curl design washes clothes very effectively while treating them with care. Its smooth, diamond-shaped ridges are gentle on even delicate items. The small water exit holes also prevent the fabric from being trapped and damaged. Diamond drum keeps clothes looking nicer for longer period. We design your home and everyday life. Samsung Digital Inverter Top-Load Washing Machine.
Deep clean your clothes with the new Godrej fully automatic washing machine. Its Turbo 6 pulsator has 6 ridges that create water motions inside the tub for better penetration of detergent and easy dirt removal. Featuring the AccuWash drum that has large and small evenly spaced contours to provide gentle scrubbing. This preset wash program comes with an inbuilt automatic soak time of 5 to 8 minutes to ensure effective stain removal in every program. Designed for easy one-touch operation, automatically selects the best from 5 wash programs. It comes with scratch-proof and shock-resistant toughened glass lid. This washing machine features 5 wash programs that are thoughtfully designed for various laundry needs. This stunning appliance is available 6.2 kg capacity with 5-star BEE rating for an optimized energy consumption and higher savings. It also comes with a 2-year comprehensive warranty on product and 10 years warranty on the motor.
will contact you for scheduling the installation visit within the next 24 to 36 hours. A brand authorized technician will visit on the mutually agreed date and time slot to install the product and explain the features. Refer to the installation page to know more on what is covered under free standard installation. The technician will charge a nominal cost for extra materials, if any. The following things need to be kept ready before the technician visits for installing the washing machine: a tap connection for water intake, an outlet connection to drain water, a 15 amps electric point. Ensure it has proper earthing to avoid electric shock. For fully automatic washing machines, an inlet pipe fitting, an outlet pipe fitting, and product demonstration are covered under free standard installation. Please note that the base stand or additional materials used during the installation are not covered under standard installation and will be charged extra.